The WMIC command allows you to obtain information from the Windows Management Instrumentation, or WMI, database of a local or remote machine, and was used in the last lecture to obtain the serial number of the machine specified at the start of the batch script. As there are so many different options, we'll just be covering some of the main ones here. In my experience, the options used most often are as follows. BIOS. This allows access to information contained within the BIOS. In the last lecture, we used WMIC BIOS get serial number to obtain the serial number of the machine. Computer system. This allows access to information contained in the computer system database within WMIC and contains information such as the model and manufacturer of the system. To obtain the model and manufacturer of the system, we use the WMIC computer system get manufacturer and WMIC computer system get model commands. Disk drive. This allows you to access information about disk drives within your system, such as the disk size and status. A useful command within this area is WMIC disk drive get status, which allows you to see whether a disk on your machine is operating normally or whether the disk is at risk of failure and needs to be replaced. This is known as a smart disk check command. To run WMIC on a local machine, you would run the commands as described above. To run WMIC on a remote computer, we'll use the /node switch. For example, WMIC /node remote computer BIOS get serial number. Note that the options above are actually aliases to classes. For example, computer system is an alias to select start from Win32 computer system. If you are getting information from within the same alias, you can specify more than one variable at a time. For example, the manufacturer and model of a computer can be obtained with a single command, as follows. WMIC computer system get manufacturer, model. You've now reached the end of the course. I hope you found it useful, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. I'm John Courtney, and thanks for watching.